You are once again welcome to our YouTube channel, Teach Yourself Driving. And today our topic is how to stop with automatic car. How to stop with the automatic car. When the automatic car is on motion and you want to stop, you don't just press on the brake at once. What you need to do is you apply what we call thinking distance and then the braking distance and overall stopping distance. And with your thinking distance of 50 and your braking distance of 30, give you a total stopping distance of 80. So what you do is that you press on the brake little by little, till it gets to the point that you want it to stop, then you press on the brake fully. And that is all about the automatic car. So in that situation, it will stop, the engine will still be on without going off.